This is the MagSafe portable charger with stand. This immediately feels like one of those, why didn't I know about this sooner accessories. The opinions in this review are mine based on my real testing of the product. The product was provided to me by the brand. The phone snaps on this cleanly and easily. It feels secure and it doesn't add that annoying brick weight to the phone. You can carry this around with you. I like that the magnetic hold was strong and I actually trust it. The charging is super fast and consistent and it doesn't get hot. I like that this has a built-in stand, way useful. You can do FaceTime, you can do Zoom, you can watch videos. I like the LED display here with the battery percentage remaining. I find that very convenient. Here is the on-off button and the charger is on the bottom. Okay, this stood out to me for the design. You can use this for travel, errands, long car ride. I like the size to power ratio. It is solid. And I like that LED display, as I said. This is one of those chargers that you're going to carry around with you without really thinking about it. I highly recommend.